Imagine becoming the kind of person who doesn't need to chase attention, prove themselves, or beg for opportunities. Your skills speak for you. Your presence feels different, and your calmness makes people respect you. That doesn't happen by luck. It's built. Become rare. If you want to become valuable, start with something simple. Become really good at something. Learn a skill that people actually need. Writing, coding, communication, editing, sales, design, it doesn't matter. What matters is becoming useful. Master one skill. Not everything you do needs to be announced. You don't need to post every goal. You don't need everyone's approval. The more you depend on attention, the more control you give other people. Work quietly. Let the results introduce you. Let results speak. Being calm doesn't mean you don't care. It means you don't let every situation control your behavior. Someone insults you? Stay composed. Something goes wrong? Think before reacting. Emotional control is a skill, and like every skill, it can be trained. Control your reaction. Your future is built by what you repeat. Study when you don't feel like studying. Train when motivation disappears. Finish what you start. You don't need extreme discipline. You need consistency. Discipline greater than motivation. The goal isn't to become better than everyone. It's to become so skilled, reliable and composed that replacing you becomes difficult. That's what makes someone rare. Not appearance, not followers, not attention, value. So stop trying to look valuable. Start becoming valuable. Build your skills. Control your emotions. Protect your focus. And let your results speak louder than your words. Become so good they can't ignore you. If you're building yourself in silence, subscribe. We're just getting started.